Hello there, aspiring gardeners. Today, we embark on a gardening journey and unravel the first crucial steps to start your very own thriving garden. Determine your garden type. Let's begin by envisioning your garden's purpose. Do you dream of fresh vegetables on your plate, colorful blooms to brighten your day, or aromatic herbs for your cooking? Select an appropriate location. Location is key. Observe how the sun graces your potential garden spots. Most plants love sunlight, so choose a spot that basks in it for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Also, ensure good drainage. Plants don't like wet feet. Prepare the soil. Your soil is like your garden's pantry. Test its nutrient levels and adjust accordingly. Adding compost or organic matter is like serving a hearty meal to your plants. It improves soil structure, water retention, and provides essential nutrients. 4. Choose the right plants. Knowledge is power, especially in gardening. Research plants that thrive in your climate and soil. Consider your local gardening zone and choose accordingly. Each plant has unique needs. Understanding them helps you plan your garden wisely. Start with easy-to-grow plants. For those green to gardening, it's like learning to ride a bike. Start with training wheels. Opt for easy-to-grow plants like lettuce, marigolds, or basil. They'll boost your gardening confidence as they sprout and thrive with minimal care. Obtain quality seeds or seedlings. Just as you'd choose quality ingredients for a recipe, invest in quality seeds or healthy seedlings from reliable sources. Look for disease-resistant varieties, and remember, healthy beginnings lead to a flourishing garden. Follow proper watering practices. Water, the elixir of life for your garden. Understand your plant's needs. Some thirst more than others. Early mornings or late afternoons are ideal watering times, as less water evaporates. Consistency is key. It's like keeping your plants on a fitness regime. These initial steps are the seeds of a beautiful garden. Join us in the next part of our series as we unearth more gardening secrets.